So here we are beginning our new topic, and that will be that find the roots of the following quadratic equation if the exist by the method of completing square. यानी अगर वो exist कर रहा है तभी हमें आगे method करनी है. This method is very important and this is exercise 4.3. But before starting the exercise, I would like to explain you that if it is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, so we are getting two distinct roots. b square minus 4ac is equals to 0 यानी टू इक्वल रूट्स मिलेंगे और b square minus 4ac लेस देन 0 होगा तो नो रियल रूट्स मिलेंगे. Now you will tell me that what is b square minus 4ac. So here I can, this is discriminant d. Discriminant d we are indicating it by b square minus 4ac. Now you will ask that what is b square minus 4ac. So suppose we having question in this form 2x square minus 3x plus 5. So in that our a is 2, our b is minus 3 and our c is 5. Now you understood that what is a, what is b and what is c. Now if you are substituting that value in this discriminant, मीन्स अगर हम ये वैल्यू को बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac में सब्सटीट्यूट कर रहे हैं, सो वी आर राइटिंग इट एज माइनस 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 4, a is 2 and our c is 5. So 3 3s are 9 will be there, 5 2s are 10, 4s are 40. 40 minus 9 means we are getting answer negative. So we are getting answer as minus 31. So if our answer of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, यानी माइनस वैल्यू 0 से लेस होगी, यानी हमारा b square minus 4ac लेस देन 0 है, तो हमें रूट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. तो यहाँ पे लिखना है here d is equals to b square minus 4ac and that is less than 0. So यहाँ पे लिखना है नो रियल रूट्स. सो ये प्रोसेस यहीं पे फिनिश हो जाएगी. अगर यहाँ पे बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इक्वल्स टू 0 आता या बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac 0 से ग्रेटर आता, देन ओनली वी विल फॉलो दिस मेथड, यानी उसके बाद ही अगर हम कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड फॉलो करते हैं. So first you have to find that what is the value of d, and that is b square minus 4ac. It is less than 0, greater than 0 and equal to 0, then only you have to do the further process. Now this is the concept of nature of the root. This is called as nature of the root. Roots का nature कैसा है वो. If we are getting answer in this form, then I am teaching you that how we will do completing square method. And you have to follow that process everywhere, that you have to do that particular process only, then only you can solve it in a very easy way. After doing that I will explain you, but before starting that I am explaining you कि अगर हमें splitting the middle term से quadratic equation को सॉल्व नहीं करना है, तो हम क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का आंसर ये फॉर्मूला से भी ला सकते हैं, दैट इज माइनस डी प्लस और माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाई 2. मीन सपोज r1 रूट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अल्फा, तो तब हम लिखेंगे प्लस के फॉर्म में अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac और ये रूट, दिस रूट इज टू दी होल एंड बाई 2, एंड आर बीटा इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ माइनस बी माइनस अंडर रूट b square minus 4ac by 2. So this is how, if we don't want to do splitting the middle term, अगर यही क्वेश्चन है मुझे splitting the middle term नहीं करना या नहीं हो रहा है, so I will find a, b and c, I will find my d, okay, or I can find just this and I will just substitute value of b square 4ac and a over here, so I will get my one alpha and another I will get my beta. So this is the second method that again we will do, but this is the introduction part. So here we are beginning. This is the question 2x square minus 7x plus 3. So first let us find that what kind of roots they having. If it having no real roots, then we will not do the further process. So here I will write that we having question as 2x square minus 7x plus 3 in which RA is 2, RB is -7 and RC is in the form of 3. So if we are finding discriminant D, that is B square minus 4AC, so if I am substituting -7 square 4, value of A is 2 and C is 3. अगर हम इसे सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, -7 square that will be 49 and 4 2s are 8 3s are 24. Now if we are subtracting, we are getting here 25 as answer. The value of 25 is greater than 0, तो यहाँ लिख देंगे it is greater than 0. So हमें कैसे रूट्स मिलने वाले हैं? 2 distinct root. So after getting, अगर हमें 2 distinct root मिल रहे हैं मीन्स अल्फा का वैल्यू डिफरेंट होगा और बीटा का वैल्यू डिफरेंट होगा. तो यहाँ पे पूछा ही यही है कि फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बाय इफ दे एग्जिस्ट, यानी हाँ यहाँ एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं, देन बाय विच मेथड कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर. So now here I will show you the rules of completing square method. So in the completing square method, what we have to do? We have to take our equation that is 2x square 7x plus 3 and that is equals to 0. अब यहाँ पे मैं rules लिखते जाऊँगी that as you know here is A, this is B and this is C. So my first rule is that divide by A. यानी यहाँ पे A का वैल्यू 2 है तो हम इसे किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? डिवाइड बाई 2, यानी यहाँ पूरे इक्वेशन को किससे डिवाइड करना है? 2 से. सो लेट अस डिवाइड. सो आई हैव डिवाइडेड. सो व्हाट इट विल बिकम? सो इट विल बिकम x स्क्वायर माइनस 7 बाई 2x, सबके नीचे 2 आएगा. तो इफ यू वांट्स टू राइट यू कैन राइट इन दिस फॉर्म. ओके, दैट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू बिकॉज यू नॉट हैविंग प्रैक्टिस. 0 अपॉन that will become 0. So whatever I told you that 2 will cancel out, so it will become x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 and that is equals to 0. So after dividing by A, this is the first step. 5 स्टेप में ये मेथड जारी है. फर्स्ट स्टेप है डिवाइड बाई A. यहाँ A का वैल्यू 2 है तो हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट मेथड है डिवाइड बाई A, यानी A से डिवाइड नहीं करना. वॉट एवर दी वैल्यू ऑफ A इज हियर वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाई A. Now second step is that shift C. Whatever the value of C is over here, we have to shift it. So it will become x square minus 7 by 2x and now it will become minus 3 by 2. Okay, this is the second step. Now third step. We have to write this in the form of, यानी हमें यहाँ पे we have to write it in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b और a minus b whatever is there, यहाँ माइनस है तो हमें माइनस के फॉर्म में लिखना है. सो हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड लास्ट टर्म. दिस इज आवर मिडल टर्म. हमारे पास लास्ट टर्म नहीं है, हमें पहले लास्ट टर्म ढूंढनी है एंड देन वी हैव टू ऐड बोथ दी साइड. ओके, सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड? सो आवर थर्ड स्टेप इज दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड b by 2a whole square. हमें ये ढूंढना है. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड? यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस इन रफ. रफली हम फाइंड करेंगे मीन्स वॉट एवर द वैल्यू ऑफ b. सो वॉट एवर द वैल्यू ऑफ b इज दैट इज 7, राइट? हियर वी हैव रिटन नो दैट इज -7 but it is the square of it, so it will become plus only 2. What is the value of a? So again we will take from here that value of b is this and a is this and that whole square. So it will become -7 by 4 and whole square. So as I told you, please consider this one as plus, don't write it as minus. So here what we will do, we will add 7 by 4 whole square both the side. So यहाँ पे मैं लिख दूँगी it is equals to what? 7 by 4 whole square. So next step होगा, first we have to find this, then the next step यानी fourth step होगा add 7 by 4 whole square both the side. Means our step is that find b by 2a whole square and add it both the side. ठीक है, so if I am adding it, so it will look like x square minus 7 by 2x plus 7 by 4 whole square and that is equal to minus 3 by 2 and we are adding this both the sides. तो यहाँ पे भी हम ऐड करेंगे, so it will look like 7 by 4 and its whole square. Now we have to simplify it. अब हमें इसे a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में लिखना है और चेक करना है कि हमारा मिडल टर्म राइट है या नहीं. So let us check it. So I am checking it in rough way, that if I am having equation in this form, always you not have to check, but this is your first time, that's why I am checking that if I am writing it in this form, that a minus, if it is b and its whole square, so our middle term is coming or not, we have to check that. So for that what we will do, we will expand it, so it will become x square minus 2ab, यानी कि ये पहले हम लिखेंगे 2, फिर लिखेंगे a and our b is 7/4 and plus last term is 7/4 whole square. So it is becoming 7/2x. So we are correct here that it is minus and it is 7/2 whole square. So we have to write in compact form of it. यानी अब हम इसे क्या compact form में लिखना है, यानी मैं लिखूंगी x लास्ट टर्म माइनस यहाँ का लिखेंगे 7/4 as it is and its whole square we have to write. Means it is in the form of x a square minus 2ab plus b square. तो उसे हमें compact form में करना है. And this term we will expand, so it will become 7 square, 7 7s are 49 and 4 square 16. Okay, now this thing all we have to find in a rough, we just have to apply all the thing directly over there. So here what we are writing, see that, so now we got x minus 7/4 whole square. Now here we will take LCM, यहाँ 16 है तो इसे 16 बनाना है, यानी 8 ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तो 8 3s are 24, so it is becoming minus 24 and it is becoming 16 plus 49/16. So 49 minus 24, it will become 25/16 and it is becoming x minus 7/4 whole square. Now here we have to write again new step, that take root, fifth rule, let me apply. Take root both the side, take root both the side. So how it will look if I am taking it under root? So then this square and square root will cut out and it will become simple x minus 7/4. Under root 25 that is 5 and under root 16 that is 4. Now यहाँ से एक important rule आएगा, that is if we are removing under root, we are getting two values. One is in plus and one is in minus. This is the very important thing. If we are removing under roots, we are getting two values, that is one is plus and one is minus. So as here, first we will compare this x minus 7/4, that is with plus, यानी कि plus 5/4 से compare करेंगे, और x का another value जो होगा x minus 7/4 we are keeping as it is, we have to compare by minus 5/4. तो अगर हम शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, so x will become minus 5/4 plus 7/4. So here we are getting 7 plus 5, that is 12/4, यानी x का वैल्यू, so 4 3s are 12, so x we are getting as 3. So ये हमारा फर्स्ट x था. Now here we have to find it, so another value of x जब हम माइनस के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, so minus 5/4 plus 7/4, so x will become, यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, so एलसीएम लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. प्लस 7 माइनस 5 विल मेक 2 और सिंबल ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर इज प्लस, तो प्लस लिखा है. 4 2s यानी 1/2. So here the value of x we are getting as 1/2. So this is how we can find two values. Finished in 5 steps. Before doing that process, you have to find your discriminant d. If it is in this form greater than 0 or equals to 0, then only you can do this process. If it is less than 0 यानी माइनस वैल्यू आ रहा है, हमें ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं. Then after we are starting our completing square method. Its first step is whatever quadratic equation we having, divide by a, यानी a का जो भी वैल्यू है उसे पूरे को डिवाइड कर दो, सो हमें एक सिंपल फॉर्म में इक्वेशन मिलेगा. Then shift c, whatever the constant term that we have to shift that side. Then we have to find b by 2a whole square by ourselves in a rough. Whatever we are getting that we have to add on both sides, on left hand side also, on right hand side also. Then we have to do compact form of it, यानी ये एक्सपांड फॉर्म में है, a plus b whole square के फॉर्म में, उसे हमें यहाँ कॉम्पैक्ट करना है. Then we got some value, then we have to take root both the side, then we will get two values, one will be in plus and one will be in minus. We have to write both the values whatever is in plus, whatever is in minus, we have to write both the values and we have to compare. By comparing that, one we will find as x, that is alpha, and another we are getting as beta, but we are getting two values of x, and this is the process called completing square method.